Onion Hair Serum. Mamaearth Onion Hair Serum is best hair growth serum for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hairzone Solution. Stress, pollution and unhealthy lifestyle choices can lead to many hair troubles, hair fall being the most common one. Mamaearth Onion Hair Serum helps you combat that. Onion Hair Serum is enriched with the goodness of onion seed extract, biotin, olive oil, and honey. This is best hair growth serum for hair care. The nourishing properties of olive oil give your hair a frizz-free, sleek look and make it healthy from within. Enriched with the benefits of sulfur present in the onions, the serum strengthens your hair and reduces breakage. The natural formulation, free of any toxicity, nurtures your hair and gives it a natural shine. Use this for hair so soft that you will want to keep running your fingers through it all day long. Made from natural ingredients, the serum does not do any harm and is suitable for all hair types. It is safe for colored or chemically treated hair. The serum is completely free of sulfates, parabens, SLS, mineral oil, petroleum, colors and synthetic fragrance. Mamaearth Onion Hair Serum comes with onion seed, biotin, D-panthenol, and olive oil. Onion seed. Rich in essential oils, onion seed extract strengthens hair and keeps it shiny. Biotin. A rich form of vitamin B, biotin makes hair thick, strong, and shiny. D-panthenol. Commonly known as vitamin B5, it acts as a moisturizer, coats the hair, smoothens hair shaft and gives it a shiny appearance. Olive oil. Nourishes and moisturizes hair from within while keeping itchy scalp at bay. Onion Hair Serum is enriched with the goodness of onion seed extract, biotin, olive oil, and honey. All Mamaearth products go through strict testing to ensure they are absolutely safe for use. Mamaearth Onion Hair Serum completely free of parabens and silicones that may cause hormonal changes in the body. The natural formulation, free of any toxicity, nurtures your hair and gives it a natural shine. Use this for hair so soft that you will want to keep running your fingers through it all day long. Mamaearth Onion Hair Serum is best hair growth serum for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hairzone Solution.